filming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's see what Roxy does when I put a helmet on. Oh, you're being a little more quiet.
Oh, good.
Hey, Roxy.
You like it? You're okay with it now?
Although when I put the visor down, she's gonna go. Roxy. Roxy, come here. She don't like it.
No, I think you're right.
She doesn't like it. Doesn't like it at all.
Not at all. She likes you, though.